I'm super sick and my house is a mess, don't judge me, but we're going to be installing 402 Innovations version 1 subcage onto my friend's Grom. So we're going to go ahead and get that done. It's powder coated red. It's super nice. I love it. Let's go check it out. What's coming with this? So here is the VS1 up close from 402 Innovations. Super clean, powder coated red. It has all the hardware you need to install, so you can ride the same day. I know a lot of you always have questions about license plates, where they go, so we have holes here for you. You can put the hardware in without having to zip tie it. What's really cool is there's also holes on the side, so you can strap in bags or anything that you want to take with you. That's something that you do. And replaceable Durlin for scrape capabilities. I'm really liking how this came out. Alright, so first, of course, you're going to remove the seat, and you're going to have 4 bolts holding down the section that you need to take off, so you're just going to go ahead and remove those. Here again, who helps me when I can't get things out. Even though I have little hands, you think I'd be able to. So right now what G-Stents did is he put the license plate on, and as you can see, it's not zip tied, it's actually on there, so it looks really good. For those of you who are always worried about it. For those of you who want to hide it, it's optional. You don't have to put it on here, so that's completely up to you. It also does come apart, so if you want to run just the pegs, but I would do it all together because you have the step plate and everything else on there.
Because if, say, you break the 12-bar portion, you can just switch that out versus switching out the whole pegs. Or say you want like bigger pegs and I don't like those pegs, you're basically just, your options are a lot now.
So you could always install it by yourself, but it's a lot easier if you have a partner to help you out.
You know, put these all through.
All the bolts to make sure it's secured in here.
What's up?
Ran out of gas.
But you still did a wheelie.
Huh?
You still did a wheelie.
I know.
It's bad, huh?
It's fucking fire. What's up?
I like how you make an entrance on the YouTube video.
Oh.
All the people faggots.
Huh?
Huh?
Oh, there's a fucking camera.
Should do it.
There we go.
Teammates.
So we had more trouble putting on the seat than we did the actual cage. Looks super fire. And the
Fire, my boy.
the homie here is gonna go try it out for us.
Alright, go scrape it. Scrape it.
You said sit down,
You
scrape,
can't
so.
scrape it. You test it out. Scrape it. You actually have to scrape it. I don't care if you fucking, like, you know.
Eat
Park
shit,
it,
but
do
scrape it.
whatever.
He's gotta do a cigarette first.
Oh shit, it's about to get real.
Fire, my boy. It's cool because you can put your feet on it and it won't slide. I don't have a handbrake. It's scary now.
It's scary now? This is the guy who wheelies a Harley.
I know, right?
Who scrapes a Harley. He's over here. Ooh, so close. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm zooming in on your butt. Looks good. Nothing bent.
This shit feels like feels a whole lot better.
Feels better. Golden.
Sunday? Yeah. I'm gonna get it on Sunday,
Ooh.
That was like that far.
Yeah. I like a foot. It goes to
The middle?
different. What the hell?
I think we need an actual measuring tape over here.
Where's what we got? Oh, yeah. You got an inch.
More?
Whose
Yeah.
is bigger? The
That one's bigger
VS1
right
or the OG?
It's like an inch difference from seat to seat.
Yeah, right now I forgot I have a handbrake.